Question number 26. The functions f and g are defined by the given equations where x is greater than or equal to 0. No negative values, only 0 and positive values of x. Which of the following equations displays as a constant or coefficient the maximum value of the function it defines where x is greater than or equal to 0? So for the function f, the base of the exponent is 1.25, it is greater than 1. And the value of 1.25, if I raise it to the power of x, it will increase. As x increases, 1.25 raised to the power of x will also increase. For example, 1.25, if I square it, what I will get? 1.25, if I cube it, what I will get? I can check that. 1.25, if I square 1.5625, that is greater than 1.25. 1.25, if I cube it, I will get 1.9531. 1.25, if I raise it to the power of 4, I will get 2.44. So you can see that it is increasing. As x increases, 1.25 raised to the power of x is also increasing. So this is an increasing function. Since f is therefore an increasing function where x is greater than or equal to 0, the function f has no maximum value. But what about function g? In function g, we have a decimal. The base of the exponent 0.73, it is less than 1. So what will happen in this case? Because it is less than 1, the value of 0.73 raised to the power of x decreases as x increases. And if you multiply it with 9, that will also decrease because of that. So now we can take a calculator and observe this. 0.73, let us square it. 0.73, let us cube it. And 0.73, let us just raise it to the power of 4. And even if you want, we can multiply with 9 and check it. So I have 0.73 and first I will square it. So you can see that it has decreased. It has become 0.5329. 0.5329 is less than 0.73. And 0.73, I will cube it now. It has become even more lesser, 0.389017. And if I multiply by 9, it is 3.5. Same way, if I take 0.73 and I raise it to the power of 4, I got 0.2839, and even if I multiply by 9, I will get a lesser value, 2.55 only. So it is decreasing, as you can observe. So it follows that the maximum value of g of x for x is greater than or equal to 0 occurs when x is equal to 0. So that means as we are increasing the value of x, the value of g of x is decreasing. So the maximum we can have is only when x is equal to 0, because after that when x is increasing, the g of x is actually decreasing. So g of x is a decreasing function. So g of 0 will be equal to 9 times 0.73 raised to the power of 0, and anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So g of 0 is 9. Therefore, the maximum value of g of x for x is greater than or equal to 0 is 9, which appears as the coefficient in equation 2. So we will have to go with B. So of the two equations given, only 2 displays as a constant or coefficient the maximum value of the function it defines where x is greater than or equal to 0.